Yeah!
First, make a small triangle, but instead of closing the triangle at the bottom, draw 2 lines on each side going down and then inwards just a bit toward the center, like this. Do that one more time to make an even bigger triangle shape. Now you can connect the lines at the bottom. Well done! You've just finished your tree. Did you know that in some parts of the world, like Poland, they used to hang their trees upside down? Cool, huh? Next, we need to give our tree a strong trunk to stand on. It's easy. Just draw a nice rectangle shape that connects to the bottom of the tree. Great job! The best part of Christmas trees are the decorations. So let's get creative and decorate it together. We can hang rounded decorations on our tree, like these. We can also add some star-shaped ornaments and wavy circles that kind of look like little suns, like this. You can even draw different ornaments on your tree if you like. What a beautiful tree, Lingokids! But we still need one more thing. I know, the star. Thank you, Billy. Draw a beautiful bright star on top of the tree, just like this. Amazing, Lingokids. The Christmas tree just needs a nice touch of color. We'll need dark green, brown, dark brown, red, yellow, light blue, and pink. Use the dark green crayon to color the whole tree, but be careful not to color over your beautiful decorations. Great work! With the brown crayon, color the trunk, and then with a darker brown, color the part just beneath the tree, like this. Now we have a shadow effect. We're professionals here, huh? Now the most colorful part of our Christmas tree, the decorations. Use the pink crayon to color your big star on top of the tree. Look, Billy loves it. Use the red crayon to color your round decorations. With the blue, pink, and yellow crayons, color in the rest of the ornaments as you like. You can get creative. Great job, Lingokids! What a lovely tree you've drawn. Oh wait, do you hear that? Santa's coming. Look at all the presents Santa brought for us. Happy holidays, Lingokids! Thanks for watching and drawing along with us. Parents, your child did great. We'd love it if you'd share their artwork with us on social media for a chance to be featured on our channels. There's nothing better than seeing the art made by our Lingokids families around the world. Just tag us. See you next time. Subscribe to our YouTube channel